Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'd actually like to step outside the shop and talk to you about turning your passions into a profit. Some of your guys' passions may be painting, photography, or even keeping up with latest technology, whatever it may be. But let's just say, for example, your passion is photography. But if it's like my area, there's a lot of photographers in my area. So you may think there's no way I'll be able to make a profit. Well, guess what? You're wrong. First step to do is just try, because you will not know until you actually try and get your name out there. Second step is where some people go wrong is they try to undercut their competition. That's not only going to hurt your profits, that's going to hurt your reputation in your area. So things you can do is offer different services than your other competition, or try to look for new ways of doing things. Try to look for new ways of taking the pictures, different backgrounds, just different ways of changing it up to where they will want to come to you over the other competition. These can be applied to any kind of hobby, really. You just gotta be different, be unique, and best off, do your best. You know, you want quality work. You don't want nothing that somebody look like they just threw together and just pieced together. You want quality work, no matter what it is. I know if I wouldn't have stepped out and tried woodworking, I wouldn't have known, because before I even tried it about 2 years ago, I kept telling myself there's no way that anybody would buy my products, or my products weren't good enough. Well, if I would have kept that mindset, I wouldn't have known that I could have made money at it. You know, I made decent money at it. You know, it's not something I could do full time, but that's one thing I wouldn't have known unless I got out and tried. You may be also thinking, I don't really know what my passion is. If you need help finding that passion, definitely reach out to me, because I would love to help you find your passion. But here's the thing, if you do know your passion, I suggest get off your rear and go after it, because what are you waiting for? That being said, thank you guys for watching in, and I hope this helps. Have a good evening. God bless.